Here's a quick tutorial on how to replace the battery on your Apple AirTag and what kind of replacement battery you should buy. Your AirTag consists of two parts, the white top part and the reflective part with the Apple logo. You'll open it like you'd open a jar of pickles. Twist it counterclockwise and your AirTag opens. I find it easier when I squeeze the two parts against each other while I'm rotating them in opposite directions. You'll need a CR2032 battery for your AirTag. These are cheap and they last for a long time. I'll link my go-to battery pack in the description of this video. I've been using these for a bunch of AirTags and usually get about a year from each battery before it needs replacing. Take your new battery, put it in so the top of the battery is facing the reflective side of your AirTag, and then simply close the AirTag. Again, apply some pressure by squeezing the two parts against each other and rotate clockwise to close the AirTag. If your AirTag was paired with an iPhone prior to changing the battery, you don't need to pair them again. They should continue to work as usual. And that's how you replace batteries on AirTags. If you value your time and quick tutorials like this that go straight to the point, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel. Next time you need to look up a tutorial, there's a good chance we have a similar video for it, or we're about to upload one soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.